Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook ID verification problem. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is to go to your browser on the bottom, and then from here you're going to search for Facebook support. Once you search for Facebook support, click on Help Center. Once you go to the Help Center, it's going to show for you this page right here. All you have to do is to scroll down and to click on Login, Recovery, and Security. Once you go here in Login Security, you're going to scroll down until you see the first option right here that says My Facebook account is locked. Click on that. Once you click on this button right here, it's going to send you to this page where it's going to further demonstrate for you how it can help your issue. And now as you can see right here, you can see the AI chat log, and you can just say my account is locked. And then from here is going to look into the access of your account, and then it's going to check for any recovery options for your account. And then from here we can then manually verify our ID. So give it a moment. And then from here you can see if you can't log in, then you can start account recovery. So click on that. Once you go to account recovery, then you can see right here, it sends you back to this page. And so from here, you're going to click on confirm your identity. Once you click on confirm your identity, then you can see right here, you're going to click on upload my ID. And then once you click on upload my ID, then it's going to go through the procedure. It's going to ask you exactly which account you are required to, and then it's going to upload a photo of your ID, and that is going to help recover your account and then make sure that you upload it. So once you click on upload an ID to Facebook, then from here you can go through the steps and procedure, and this should solve your problem. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.